Just started, guys. That's the process. See, so I'm changing from that neutral tone to a light gray. It will also match the blinds because the blinds are a dark gray shade. I finally did it. So today is the first day of the rest of my life. Not much, but it's a start to my peace of mind. I more than deserve that. I collected my keys today and I just quickly got a few knickknacks that I know I'll need because I made an order, but it won't be here until the next 46 days. So you know, so I have to cover the bed with the mattress protector. You know, I have to have my pillows just in case this too soft. I have this one. And my sheet sets and stuff will be coming. I haven't moved. I just ran on the road a while ago and grabbed some stuff. So really and truly I came to clean. That's really why I came. And I said, well, let me just grab the pillows. Some other stuff in these. I'm gonna pick up along, pick up what I know I'm gonna need. But yeah, this is it. At least I have my own room. So this is the size of it. It's alright. And I want it painted grey. I don't like this color. But they're doing some roof work on the roof on the room behind me. So when them finish that, they're gonna paint the place. So I asked them to paint it like grey. This is the sitting room that we will share. I'm going to clean this as well. I just came in, so them things here thrown down here, so. And this is very dusty. You can't see it still. Nobody uses it, it seems. Oh, them use it to catch the door. The door move if you come in your door stopper. That's the sitting room if anybody come and visit me. So the only thing is that the other room is exactly beside me. I'm like, oh my god. See? The next room exactly beside me. But I take the front one, it's a little bigger. See that? The roof was leaking, so I'm have to go throw that out for the next person that comes. Around here, so I have nothing for look on. See that? So that's why I take the front room. I eat around here, so. Just that for my YouTube. Also, see me there? Share with only one person. I'm gonna be sharing this bathroom with the person. That's it. That's the bathroom there. Warming rack. See me there again. Toodles! Yeah, so I'm gonna clean. So, not so bad. Kitchen downstairs. The only thing is I share the kitchen downstairs with 3 persons. Going down the stairs to the kitchen. Oh, the landlady lives here as well. The hallway. So, front door is here. Upstairs there. Wait for the night. Taking those with me. I haven't really made my bed as yet, but yeah, just a fitted sheet, that blanket, and my 2 sets of pillows. This is how I'm leaving for the night until tomorrow. But at least it's clean. It's Febreze that's on the wall. What you're seeing there? It's Febreze. Yeah, at least it's clean. So when I move tomorrow and I'm tired, at least of course I'll move that. I need to find a different area for it. At least everywhere is clean. So I am quite fine. When I come here tomorrow and I am tired and I'll be having a very long day on Monday. Watch your bleach. But I'm happy, guys. I am so happy, and that's what's important. I'm really hoping, I'm actually contemplating showing this on a vlog or not. We'll see. Just in case I feel like doing it one day, at least I would have already had the video, and I had a little celebratory drink with grapes on the rocks because I forgot to take a chaser. But now, man, my head good, my strong in many ways. Yeah, so that's it, and I'm out for the night, and so tomorrow I'll be moving in. Yeah, sometimes in life you have to take your chances, because whether or not you make a conscious decision to choose, remember this: we're choosing daily. Whether by doing or not doing, you're choosing. So decide, what choice is it you prefer to be made, and go after that. That's my little gem for the evening or for the day. So have a good one, guys. It's not much, but I'm grateful. Peace of mind is utmost important. Peace of mind. Without peace of mind, you don't have health. You don't have health. It doesn't matter how much assets you have. Without peace of mind, it's kind of like you have nothing. You have things, but you don't have inner peace. You don't have bliss. You don't have joy in your soul. So it's like you're walking around as an empty shell. It's like you look and you'll see the outside of a Rolls Royce, and it's beautiful. And when you go closer, you realize that it's only the shell of a Rolls Royce. There's nobody within. I want to have my first bath here, guys. It's my first night moving in. I'm so tired. But see, I have my 3-wick candle, even though only 2 would light. Yeah. And from the Level Up Your Feminine Hygiene video that I did, I switched my feminine hygiene product to honey pot. No parabens, no dioxide, and it's plant-based. So I've switched to this, and it works well. Yeah, I like it. Alright, so my bath is almost ready. So tired, guys. I am so tired, but it's worth it. It's worth it. As I said yesterday in my gym, you choose every day. Whether you're actively choosing or not, you choose every day. And now I'm choosing to have a bath in my new little spot.
On my own, but I'm never to wherever I want. And you see, I go with the wind. The places I've been, I keep them within. Holding on to a feeling so strong.
Alright. So, love and light. Bye, journeys.
Take a train ride just to see you. Ride for hours.